broadly has found that the Walker, the weighted average call rate, is highly correlated with the other money market rates, with TREPs and market repo in the collateralized segments. Further, they have also found that it is effective in transmitting signals to other money market instruments across maturities. Therefore, the group has recommended continuation of the overnight Walker as the operating target of monetary policy. The group has, inter alia, also recommended to continue with the variable repo and reverse repo rate auction mechanisms of various tenors with the objective of maintaining the operating target rate at the policy rate. I will now come to financial stability. The system level financial parameters relating to capital adequacy, liquidity, asset quality, and profitability of the scheduled commercial banks continue to remain very healthy. The CRAR is more than 17%, NIM at 3.5%, the liquidity at 132%, the GNPA at about 2.2%, NNPA at about 0.5 to 0.6%. The credit deposit ratio for the banking system is at 78.9%, broadly similar to that a year ago. Similarly, the system level parameters of NBFCs too are sound, with adequate capital position and improved gross NPA ratios. Bank credit grew at 12.1% last year in 2024-25. And I want to highlight over here that while it was slower than the growth rate of 16.3% in 23-24, it is higher than the average growth rate of 10.3% recorded in the 10-year period preceding 24-25. Moreover, it is important to look at all sources of funding to the non-financial sector and not only bank credit. And so we find that in 24-25, while the bank credit, non-food bank credit in fact, reduced by about 3.4 lakh crore rupees from 21.4 lakh crore to almost 18 lakh crore, the flow from non-bank sources more than made up for this decrease. Thus, even though growth rate of bank credit slowed last year, the overall flow of financial resources to the economy increased from 33.9 lakh crore rupees in 23-24 to 34.8 lakh crore rupees last year. That is an increase of almost a lakh crore of rupees. And we find that this trend continues even during the current financial year. As transmission to money markets has been faster, large corporates increasingly have relied on market-based instruments such as commercial paper and corporate bonds to source funds, reducing their exclusive reliance on bank credit. Similarly, profitability of large corporates has increased. Their internal resources, therefore, have become an important source for business expansion. Before I conclude, let me underline that for us at RBI, the interest and welfare of citizens of India is foremost. It is the people of India, including those at the very bottom of the pyramid, who are our raison d'etre, the reason of our being.